PCC flags competition concerns in free TV after non-renewal of ABS-CBN's franchise. Ito ay article ng ABS-CBN News. Regulations that limit the allowed block timing deals as well as the non-renewal of the franchise of ABS-CBN Corporation have influenced competition practices in the free TV landscape, according to study released by the country's antitrust body. So sinasabi dito na dahil sa paglimit ng pagba-block time at sa hindi pagkakaroon ng bagong franchise ng ABS-CBN ay nalimitahan nito yung competition sa free TV. Di ba ang katinalalamunan ko? In a study, block timing practices in the Philippine free TV industry, the Philippine Competition Commission cited challenges such as increased market concentration, wherein GMA Network became the dominant player with 93% market share. So dahil nga sa kakulangan ng sa kakulangan ng kakumpetensya ng GMA Network ay na-dominate nito ang market. And sobrang laki ng domination, 93% ang market share ng GMA. This, the PCC said, raises concerns about competition, access to broadcasting frequencies, and content diversity. Dagdag pa ng PCC, the exercise of this market power may harm competition by curbing viewer choices and restricting the entry of content producers. Okay. In addition, the PCC also flagged the National Telecommunication Commission's memorandum meant to regulate block time agreements, require prior NTC approval for block time deals, and to limit airtime allotted to block time programming to 50% among others. Wait lang, hindi ko na-guess yung sinasabi nila dito. Flag National meant to regulate block time, require prior bahala kayo dyan. Prior approval for block time deals could make it more difficult and expensive for firms to enter the market, raise prices, create regulatory uncertainty, and distort competition, sabi yan sa study na kinondak ng PCC. It can also be used by TV networks to discriminate against certain firms or to favor others. Okay. To address these competition concerns, the study recommends awarding more licenses to new TV stations as well as the renewal of ABS-CBN's franchise. So, dahil nga kulang sa kompetisyon ang free TV, ay sinasabi nito na dapat magbigay pa ng mga lisensya para sa pag-enter ng iba pang mga TV station at iminumungkahi din ng study na ibalik ang ABS-CBN o magkaroon ng franchise. Ito ang sabi, due to current lack of rivalry in free TV sector, the government could promote competition by awarding licenses to new TV stations, making it easier for new stations to start up. Likewise, relevant authorities may reconsider the renewal of ABS-CBN's franchise upon satisfying other regulatory requirements. So, dahil nga walang kompetensya na gaganap, kumbaga, bumababa rin yung viewership ng free TV. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas marami nang pumupunta sa online kaysa sa free TV dahil mas maraming content o mas maraming nag-aaway doon. Kumbaga, grabe pag-aaway, no? Kaysa sa free TV na, ay, magkakaibigan na silang lahat. Diba? Okay naman may magkakaibigan. Pero, syempre, competition should be there. Ano daw? It is also said, it is crucial to evaluate whether the NTC's prior approval over block time deals is effective, given that there are no other bodies regulating content such as the MTRCB. So, sabi din dito na baka yung prior approval sa block time deals ay ineffective at isa lang daw naman yung nag-regulate ng content, which is MTRCB. Tama ba? Meanwhile, the study also cited that the impact of the issues raised were mitigated by the over-the-top platforms such as iOne TFC, YouTube, and Netflix, which provide producers with alternative modes of distribution. So, dahil nga kulang sa kompetisyon, lumilipat yung mga tao sa mga online platforms. The PCC underscored the importance of fostering a competitive environment for the interest of the viewing public. Ito sabi ng study. Ultimately, the success of free TV as a content distribution medium relies on robust competition and a supportive regulatory framework. Dagdag pa nito, enforcing regulations that foster fair access to airtime, prevent discrimination, and encourage diversity and innovation can address these competition concerns, protect consumer interests. So, mas maganda dapat na may ma-enforce sa mga regulations na mapagbigay ng free tuloy ng patas na access sa pagba-black time o sa airtime. Yun lang. So yan, ano naman sabi nyo na iminumungkahi ng isang government. Tama ba government to? O tama no, government body ang PCC. So ano masabi nyo sa pag-recommend ng PCC sa renewal of franchise ng ABS-CBN para mas maengganyo pa yung mga tao sa panonood sa Free TV? Comment down below.